हेलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग ABCD A to Z सीखेंगे, वो भी वर्ड मीनिंग के साथ। A for apple, APPLE apple. B for boy, BOY boy. C for car, CAR car. D for doll, DOLL doll. E for elephant, ELEPHANT elephant. F for fish, FISH fish. G for girl, GIRL girl. H for hen, HEN hen. I for ice cream, ICECREAM ice cream. J for jug, JUG jug. K for kite, KITE kite. L for lamp, LAMP lamp. M for man, MAN man. N for nest, NEST nest. O for owl, OWL owl. P for pear, PEAR pear. Q for queen, QUEEN queen. R for rat, RAT rat. S for strawberry, STAWBERRY strawberry. T for toys, TOYS toys. U for umbrella, UMBRELLA umbrella. V for vegetable, VEGETABLES vegetables. W for well, WELL well. X for xylophone, XYLOPHONE xylophone. Y for yoga, YOGA yoga. Z for zebra, ZEBRA zebra.